Jinky, let's talk about ito pong nangyayari o kapapangyari lang sa Senado, ano po. So you have been quoted as saying na you tutol po kayo doon sa pagsali ng mga senator judges sa impeachment trial uh, via virtual attendance or being online. Why do you say so, ma'am?
Peter, with all due respect kay Senator Bato, no? Kung ni-risk niya yung sarili niya in voting for the change of leadership, he should have the same courage in personally attending this constitutional process. Because this is paramount. This is the most important constitutional process because this is a power that was given to the sovereign Filipino people para ito sa sambayan ng Pilipino. And he has to witness personally the presentation of evidence. Otherwise, he will not be able to intelligently vote. Dapat makita niya yung demeanor ng bawat witnesses. Because it is by observing the demeanor of the witnesses that you can able to say, totoo ba o hindi ang sinasabi ng testigong ito. That is very important, Peter. And pagdating ng botohan, constitutional process to. You are doing this for the Filipino people. Kasama to doon sa pinanumpaan mo. Ito ay pag-respond mo sa iyong constitutional duty. And why should you not be present? No?